Is my screen visible?
Not now, Ritesh.
Let me rejoin the meeting.
Ritesh, did you share your screen?
Yes, sir. It is
I,
visible, sir.
I think it is loading. For others, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. For me, it is not visible. Uh,
Okay. Let me
let you.
reshare.
No, no, you continue. Let me rejoin the call. I think
Okay, sir. So we have
where
covered
we,
MongoDB aggregations. Now moving to the next, we have indexing search. So MongoDB indexing and search. MongoDB Atlas come with a full text search engine that can be used to search for a document in a collection. Atlas search is powered by Apache Lucene, creating an index. We will use the Atlas dashboard to create an index on the sample Mflix database from the sample data that can be loaded into the intro to aggregation section. From the Atlas dashboard, click on the cluster name, then the search tab. So let's go to our MongoDB Atlas. So we are at our MongoDB Atlas. Just log in your ID and you will see your databases if you have created anyone. If you are if you have not created it, let me show you how you can create. So here you have to just click on, first of all, you will be seeing here a database name, any database name. Just click on new project and inside new project, just give any name, whatever you want to be the project name. Just like I am going to give GNCIPL. So now just click on next. And if you want to invite some other member to add and retrieve data, you can add email IDs or just leave it blank for now. Just click on create project. And you will see an option to create a cluster. Just click on create and give your cluster a name. First of all, select your plan. Just go with the free plan so that you can avoid any charges and give any cluster name just like we are going to give this users or students. Let me give students. And after that, you have to just create deployment. And here you will get your username and password. For now, you just copy this and just click on create database user. Here you can say see your database has been created and choose the connection method. So we are going to use our connection method as a driver. In this we can use Node.js, so that I'm going to use drivers. Just click on select and here you will see your installation command. You can use this in your VS Code to connect to install MongoDB inside your project, and just copy this string. This will be used to connect with your database of Atlas. Just copy this, and we will use it in our index.js file. So for now, just click on the done, and now just go to your VS Code, and here just change this URL. I will provide you the code. Just going to change this URL with the URL which I have just generated. So let me just paste that here. So yes, this was the URL, and now we are going to just run our code. Just write node index.js. So here you can see data has been added and it will be reflected in your database. So let me just check. So here we will see our all clusters. Inside here we will our browse collections, and here we will see our collections just like here users. Inside user we have our name, age, email, and ID, which we have sent through our index.js file. Name, age, email, ID, and the ID has been generated so that unique uh, so that it can be identified easily. So let me just copy paste this in chat box. So if you have not created any cluster, just try this method and just replace the string which you will get from the MongoDB Atlas, and let me know once it's done so that we can move further. And if you are facing any issue, just let me know.
Ritesh, Atlas we have already configured yesterday. We have
Yes,
covered.
sir, but some of them were unable to configure. So I
Okay,
thought, yes, sir.
fine, fine. So others are, I hope, are configuring their Atlas. So meanwhile, you can, if anyone faces issue, let us know. Meanwhile, Ritesh, you can go ahead.
Okay, sir. So moving to the next, we are going to. So here we are going to create index. From the Atlas dashboard, click on cluster name, then the search tab. So let me just split my screen into halves so that we can follow the instruction. So we are inside our GNC IPL, and we are going to just from the Atlas dashboard, we are on our dashboard, I think, and we are click on the cluster name. So we are having our clusters name and then search tab. I think this is the search tab. Click on the search, create search index button. Mm, Database. So here, click on the cluster name and then search tab. So we are having, I think, this. in the search tab, and after that click on the create search index button. And search tab to save this. I think yes, Atlas search. Yes, here we are getting create search index. So we have clicked on that. Use the visual editor and click next. So create a search index. Okay, start your index configure. Atlas search, vector search, full text search for relevance based app feature for semantic app and AI application. Okay, so we have Atlas search and index name and data source. Name your index, choose the database and collection you want to index and click next. So we are here to just give index name and choose the database. Okay, so we are having our test database, and inside that we have created users. So I have selected that. And if we want to give any index name, we can give that and click create search index and wait for the index to complete. Okay, that means we have to just give index name. So name your index, choose the database collection. Sir, I am just getting confused what to pass in index name. There is there.
Yes, Ritesh.
Yes, I am just getting confused what to send the data from index name, what to put here.
So you are using Atlas,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yesterday we were doing on Compass, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me check this. Meanwhile, if you have a Compass, you can use that. Do you have Compass?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am having
You can
compass.
check. Yeah, yeah.
Let me just connect to that.
Continue with Compass. I'll check and get back on this.
Okay, sir. Inside local, I'll just click on connect. Let me see my data here, which we have created post yesterday. So we are going to use just GNC IPL Mongo. Click on GNC IPL Mongo. I think my spelling is correct. Okay. So we are going to just use this. I think we will have to change the schema also because this schema is different from the. So let me just I think it will create another data. Let me check. There is no option to refresh. Mm, So inside the user, we are having our John. Now what it is saying to do, let's get back to it. From Atlas dashboard, click on cluster name. This is our cluster. And here click on the create search index.
Yes, Ritesh, what is the challenge here?
So I was unable to just find what to write here in the index name.
Uh, you are using Atlas.
Yes, sir.
I told you to
And
use Compass.
yes, I was switching to Compass, but I didn't find any options there. Let me show you. So this is my Compass, and I am not getting the options which W3 tool is showing. Let me show you.
What
It is
is
showing
saying?
to click on the cluster name. So I think
What? Which topic we are right now doing?
creating
Uh,
indexing and search. Let's
indexing and
expand it.
search.
Yes, sir. After aggregation.
We'll use the Atlas dashboard to create an index on the sample. Okay. So let me check. You also continue.
Okay,
Uh,
sir.
try to figure it out. I am also checking.
Okay, sir.
Others also try to fix the issue at their end.
Is already we have some MongoDB class account. Okay, simple data maybe loaded. Virtual cluster login to account. So
Vaishnavi, you have done this? Vaishnavi Asta?
Sir, I'm trying. It's showing. It's created a cluster, sir. Which sir, created search index is completed. So now I'm
Okay,
trying to run the code. If it's run, then I.
fine, fine. Okay. You can also refer this Geeks to Geek site on MongoDB indexing.
Okay, sir.
First, try on this. If it will not work, refer this. I have pasted in the chat.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Ritesh,
Yes,
have you created a index?
yes, I have created.
Okay, so
I think we are on the next stage of running a query.
okay, run it. I have shared the code. That code is running on the VS. If you want, then you can refer it.
Let me see. That means my data is different. Database. Let me just, I will paste it here. Vaishnavi, have you executed this?
The code I've shared.
Yes.
Yes, I have executed. I've shared the output also.
Just copy paste.
Change the URI, okay?
Okay, okay, I will change that. Don't worry. Search result is empty. Okay, that means the data which we are having, it is different from the which we are searching.
In mine, it's not showing empty.
Okay,
I'm
that
getting
means
I'm
your
getting the
database.
output.
Mine also, because Ritesh has not has the same database that we have.
Yes, yes,
He
I
is
think
trying
so.
on he is trying on test user database, and we have already a database named Amflix Movies, so it is searching on that.
Okay.
Yes, I think that's why it is just showing empty because I am not having that particular database. Let me just see. I think I need to create this database. Okay, we are having sample conflicts and let me create some data for this. Let me just ask to ChatGPT for the data of this particular scheme. Okay, so it has given some data. Name, email ID, text, date. Yeah. Let me just add data to my database. Just let me add to my it means it has created database name sample amplex, and I have created collection. Let me just so let me just create another one. Database name collection name what it is saying movies. Okay, inside sample amplex we have created movies, and we're just going to insert some data. Just zero, zero, dot, dot. We are going to just add data over all the query and just formatting. Let me see. Insert, okay, insert one, insert mail. Let me right here. Insert mail. This. We are having some data. Okay, I think it will work fine. Let me execute it. What it is having pipeline is not. Let me just see whatever I'm making. Okay. What I'm searching for, index record star war title. Again, it's simple. Let me see whether my data is inserted in it or not. This data has been inserted in it. But let me just read the title and check whether it is showing me the data or not. I think I'm getting same entity again and again. Let me just change my. Let me just copy paste it. Okay, now it is showing the search result. Okay, now I think it was going to search from. It is now running. Okay, let me see how we can search through MongoDB Atlas. So let me just see. So here we can just use our ID. So here To use the search index, we will use search method in our aggregation pipeline. Okay. The first stage of aggregation pipeline will return the document in the movies collection that contains the word star or war in the title field. The second stage will calculate fields from the search document. Okay, that means we are getting our output by using aggregation pipeline. So it has image. Hello, sir. There is all. Is anyone getting what we are doing here? I'm not getting anything right now. What we are going to do, what we supposed to do. Vishal,
Yes, Hitesh.
are you getting anything?
I have got the same output that Vaishnavi has posted on the chat box. Yes, the same output.
Hmm. I'm also getting the similar output.
So means you are asking that what would be our the main agenda to do that the indexing, na?
Yes, yes. I think it was saying to just send the query through MongoDB Atlas. I think
Uh, means that what we have to do there that we have to search using the index means that what we are here doing in index we are providing default value. So in default, if we are writing there something else like means what we have to search means index, you think means Star Wars is written many a times. So if we are writing star or wars there in the title field, then all the Star Wars written output result would be presented here. So that's what I have, that's my POV here, that we are doing through indexing or search. It's like only a simple search method. And in search, we use index, and in indexing, we are using a keyword. And those keywords which are present in every result query are presented here through VS Code query. You can see that in all the search result there is a star present, star
yes,
star
yes.
star. So that's what in default value we are giving query Star Wars and part title. So in title, Star Wars were present. So every result would be there.
But what was the agenda of creating index here? If we can find using just like my previous code was just using title and giving all the outputs. So what is the use of this indexing here? And why it is just saying to use Atlas for creating index? Let me go in GFG.
Okay, so Ritesh, indexing is there. We are using when we have very large data set, and if we are using normal scan or search through queries, so it would be going through the every data set, and every data set or क्या बोलते हैं इसको, हाँ, तो if title is given here and query, तो it would be search every title, and if Star Wars is present, if we are using normal search without indexing, then it would be very lengthier if we have a very large data set of terabytes of data, so it is helpful in that. So we are using, so we can, for right now we can go through any optional way, but for large data set it would be beneficial.
Okay. So anyone is able to execute it? I don't know why it is giving me again empty. Again, create index. Create search index. Okay. Use index and default or anything, but can change it. Then I can choose dynamic mapping. Select it. Yeah. Okay, let's wait for its status from pending to confirm. Now it's ready. Let me just re-execute my code. Yes, now it's working fine for me. Okay, so now it is working. So I didn't created indexing for my new data. I created my sample influx database, but never indexed it. That's why it was returning me empty data. So when I created a index, so it is returning me the data with desired output. So just execute. If you are not getting the data, let me know. If you are facing any issue, just let us know and try to execute at your own ends. If you have already executed, let me know.
Okay, Ritesh, will you please rewind what we have done till now, like what we have to do from the start?
Okay, okay. So we have to just select our project, whatever we have given name, just like I have given GNCIPL in our MongoDB Atlas. We just selected GNCIPL. Inside this, we are going to see our clusters. So we are going to just click on view all clusters inside our GNCIPL. Just click on browse collection so that you can see all the collections inside our GNCIPL project. So here I have created a sample influx database which contains the collections as movies. Inside movies, we are having data of a title and year. So this is the data which is inside our sample influx database with the collection name movies. So we are going to just uh, see the outputs using the filter method, indexing method. So indexing will filter out the desired data values which we want to see. Just like we want to see the movies with the title name and something like Star Wars. So it will return out the all the movies which contains Star Wars in it. And for that, we have just created our databases. And inside our collection, when we click on our collection, we will see a search indexes. It will allow you to just enable search indexing in your from your VS Code. Just click on this, and after that, you will see. Let me show you with initialized data. Let me just go with the health in the doc chat will be good. So I didn't create the collection here. I think this will also be fine. So when you will click on search indexes, it will say you to create index. So when you click on this, it will ask for your index name. You may leave it as it is, and you will have to select the data where your sample influx data is stored. Just like for my, it was in sample influx movies. So I will select movies. And after that, you will set your configure method as visual editor. And after that, you will click next. And again, you will see another index configuration, and just click on create search index, and your indexing will be ready in few seconds. And you will see your screen as this. Let me show you. So after creating your index, you will see your screen as this. It will show you that status as ready, and now you can just send your just you can just copy paste the code which Vaishnavi has sent in the chat box, and when you will start your server, you will see the result in your console window. Yes,
Okay, Ritesh.
yes, yes, yes. Just try to execute it. So are you guys able to execute it? Or facing any issue? Once
Yes, Ritesh, I think I have to practice it because I have missed the yesterday class. So this thing, I am not getting it right now. So you can move further. Uh, I will rewind this in break.
okay.
Yes.
So let's move further. So where we were just okay. So we have run our query, and now the first stage of this aggregation pipeline will return all documents in the movies collection that contains the word star. As we have seen in our console window, it was just returning the output, the movie which was containing star as a title, and the second stage will project the title and year field from the each document. Okay, that means I think we are having the same or different code. Okay, the same we have run. Okay, it has executed and given the same output. as we were expecting. Just let me see. Yes, ID, year, title. Why ID, year, title? But why I think we are getting only title and year.
Just refresh where we are.
So we are at indexing, sir, right? It took some time to just set up indexing,
Okay,
and now
so
it's
which website reference you are taking? W3 school or that gig for
W3
gig?
school.
Okay.
W3 school, sir.
So our issue which we were facing is sort out or is still we are working on it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sort out.
Okay.
Yes, sir. But
S-
sir, in this code, we were supposed to get ID also, but we are getting only title and year. I think there is any issue in.
okay. Try to resolve it using ChatGPT
Okay, sir.
and take support from other resources. Other also, I hope you all are also parallelly doing it. Vaishnavi Vansh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please carry on. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay. And I want to after 12, I want anyone else can take the uh, present the screen. Okay. Once you have installed your MongoDB and all
Yes, sir. I have installed
and
right.
configured it.
Yes, sir. Configured it just right now. Actually, I am doing last class also, sir, because I have
Okay. Okay.
catching up for that.
Got it. Got it. In that case, Vaishnavi, you can share the screen. Vaishnavi Astha.
Okay, sir.
Means after by 12, you can start sharing your screen. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. I'm just coming back in 5 minutes. I'm on another
Okay, sir.
call. Okay.
Okay.
In case of any issue, just ping me.
With this change ID 0 to 1 directly, getting the ID.
What?
Yeah. In the code, you ID is 0, no? In project title 1 year
Yes.
1. Change 0 to 1 ID and then run it again. That you will get the ID.
Yes. Fancy changes in my code. Yes. Now we are getting ID also. Okay. That means it was giving just title one, year one, and ID one. What if we write ID two? Let me see. Don't do this. Okay, just change your ID from 0 to 1 so that you can get your ID also in the console window. If we increase the limit, the number of outputs will be changed from 5 to the limit which will be set. So moving to the next, just we are having MongoDB schema validation. Schema validation. By default, MongoDB has a flexible schema. This means that there is no strict schema validation setup initially. Schema validation rule can be created in order to ensure that all documents in a collection share a similar structure. Okay. Uh, MongoDB supports JSON schema validation. The JSON schema operator allow us to define our document structure. So we have our create collection posts. Inside this, we have validator JSON schema. Decent type object required. Inside required, we have title and body. We have given some properties just like title which will contain bison type, description, and description is required. And in body, we have string and description of the body, which is also required. And category, similarly likes, tags, date. So this is the JSON schema for our database. Just let me execute it. So just copy it and paste in my VS Code. Let me made of this. Let me just paste my code here. So let me just see it's working on. Is getting what error. And error cannot use a session that has ended. So that means pipeline is necessary for this. Let me just okay. Okay, that one is it was excluding the results. So just let me just remove this line. It will work fine now. Now for this, I will also need to just comment out this line. So I think it will work fine. Again, it is creating problem. Cannot reveal a session that has ended. Let me just clear my terminal and what's the error I'm getting. Would we expired session error? Cannot use a session that has ended. Let me press on. Okay, let me just wait before okay. That means here we are going to just use await so that it can wait for the confirmation. Check if the collection exists before creating. Okay, just going to copy paste this code. So we are going to execute post collection created. So let me just check in our database. I think we are using GLCITL. Inside GLCITL, just go inside our clusters, and we are going to just browse collections. Inside collection, we are having movies, posts. Inside post, that means we have not passed any data. We have just created our schema. That's why it is not showing any data. So that means our post collection has been created, and as you can also verify it from your Atlas dashboard. Just run this query, and if you want, I can just copy paste this code. Just change your string, your URI string, so that it can be connected to your database. Let me paste it here. So this is the code. Just try to execute it by changing the URI, and you will see a collection of posts will be created in your database inside your sample influx database. So just try to execute it and let me know once it's done. Vishal, it's done.
No, no, I'm trying. Just wait for a
Okay,
couple of.
okay. Vaishnavi, have you executed?
Yes, Vishal.
Vishal, let me know once it's done.
Yes, Ritesh, you can move.
Okay,
Awesome.
I think everyone have done. And if you are facing any issue, just let me know. Otherwise, we will move forward. I think no one is getting any issue. Just move forward. Now we are going to study about MongoDB data API. So the MongoDB data API can be used to query and update data in MongoDB database without the need of language-specific drivers. Language drivers should be used when possible, but the MongoDB data API comes in handy when drivers are not available or drivers are overkill for the application. Okay, that means we can also use MongoDB data API. So read and write with the MongoDB data API. It is a pre-configured set of HTTPS endpoints that can be used to read and write data to MongoDB Atlas database. With the MongoDB data API, you can create, read, update, delete, or aggregate documents in MongoDB Atlas database. Cluster configuration. In order to use the data API, you must first enable the functionality from the Atlas UI. From the MongoDB Atlas dashboard, navigate to the data API in the left menu. Select the data sources you would like to enable the API on and click enable the data API. Okay, that means we have to just go our MongoDB Atlas. So let me just split my screen. So here we go. We are inside our MongoDB Atlas dashboard. And here it is showing for from the MongoDB Atlas dashboard, navigate to data API, where it is written data API. From the left menu, data API. Security, quick starts, most likely. Data written here, database access, I think. No, network access, elements.
Ritesh, click on go to and then search data API. Data API. So here we go. Data store, we like to enable the API. Click enable the data API. It is just saying create API. So if we want Create a service account to securely connect your application to the Atlas administration API using authorization. So this is Node that let me just flash to the chat GPT. Open the data API page. From the dashboard, choose the project that contains the cluster you want to enable as a user. We are inside here. We are going to just from the dashboard, choose the project that contains the cluster. We want to enable the database API. We have selected our VNC IPL. I think inside our cluster, we are going to set. Let me just open my cluster. Everyone has found this data API page.
It's on service section. Please check. One
Which one?
second. 1 minute.
Okay, I can get the documentation. So this is download API specification. Node to allow a developer to manage all components in Node.js. Anyone is able to get this data API?
Ritesh, have you find app service option?
App service option.
I'm also not getting it. Okay, Ritesh, I found it. You You have also opened it. Okay, same यही करना था.
Okay.
It says inside there is create new app.
Uh, Select your project with prompted. This name will be used formally and cannot be changed later. Okay, name must only include the style letter number. So I think create an app service. We will take into the app service from this. Select your project, enter the
Now
app
app.
service. Okay. Now what?
Vaishnavi, I think your mic is off.
Yes. 1 second. Now you can put the app name as my app or anything which we want in cluster 0 and click on the create app button.
Okay, I'm going to change my app. Okay, we are using an existing MongoDB class database photo. We have selected our database as store, which we have created already, cluster. And just click on create app service.
Yes. After the app has created, then we have to enable the data API. Now
I have,
open.
we are having our app ID. Under the app services interface, find or create an app. Here we have already done that. Once inside the app, go to the data API section in the left
Yes.
side there.
Now go to API.
Apps, data access, application, where it is.
Open the new app page. Uh, the app which you have created in that page you have to do.
Where it is.
1 second.
Okay, data API and SAP functional deficit. Okay, Is anyone getting a what to do next?
Have you enabled the data API?
From
Have
where
you
it
get
will be enabled?
that point only not getting? I'm just searching for that. If when we enable the API, then only the further procedure will continue. Ritesh,
Yes.
inside the data access, there is an app user.
Inside data access.
App user.
Yes, yes,
Click on it.
yes.
Okay, the user is not there. That's why we are not getting the API. 1 minute.
Let me add new user. API create API key. Allow your user to send with this authentication.
Okay, Jitesh, 1 second, cut this. Authorization. You are in authorization?
Yes, authentication.
Yes. Then you have found there. 1 second, I'm getting API keys on off. That we have to just on it.
Inside my API key, then just clicking on edit
On it.
and provider enable.
And here we get the create API key.
Here it is. Showing the name. Okay. This page will be data in your application immediately and will not be included as a class images. Enable on deployed API. Authentication, inside authentication, we are authentication provider. We are authentication file enable. And after enabling, click the green review draft and deploy. Deployment was successful. It's now searching for API key. Okay, so now yes, so we have generated our API. And what it is saying next. We have created our API, generated. So I think our API has been created. Let me show you how I did this. So first of all, we are at our Atlas dashboard. And from here, we have selected our project. What let me yes, we are at
inside GMC IPO. And from here, we are just going to go to section and just type service, app services. So app services. This will redirect to our services.cloud.mongodb. And here, wait, we were at services.cloud. But why it is not showing now? I think yes, yes. In the services.cloud.mongodb, we have to just click on create a new app and just write the name of our new app, just like a student, and it is using the database student. So just click on create. It will create an app, and in this data access session, we have an authentication session. So inside authentication, we will go to API keys and first of all enable it and save drafts, and then it will give some instruction. Just click on got it and just click here review draft and deploy the changes. And once it's deployed, it will show you a successful message. Just click on create API key and give any name here. It's like Mongo test 2. I'm going to create, and here your API key has been created. You can just copy it and use it. So by this method, you can create API key from
O-
MongoDB Atlas.
Okay, Ritesh, get it.
Okay. Everyone has created.
Yes, Ritesh.
Okay. Vishal, Rupam.
Yes.
Okay. So moving to the next. Vaishnavi, can you continue from this?
Okay, Ritesh, is my screen visible?
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Okay. Uh, we have created our API. Now we have to find the API ID in the URL endpoint, find the data API page in the MongoDB Atlas UI by using this code. So let's do it. Actually, I was trying it, so it's showing some error. That's why I'm just fixing it. Okay. When I fix it, then I will tell you what I have done.
Okay, Vaishnavi.
Ritesh, have you find this base URL in yours? Hello? Hello?
No, Vaishnavi.
Okay. Is anyone getting what's the error?
No, Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi, show your output.
It's showing that HTTP endpoints are no longer available.
So I think we have to change this setting from Atlas there.
Yes, that setting is not getting. I'm not getting where it is.
Getting well. Wait,
Yeah.
I am telling you how to do. Find it. Just a minute. Uh, Vaishnavi, paste this code in chat box, please.
Where?
Chat box in chat box. Yeah.
You have sent something on chat box.
No, no, I am saying paste your code here, which you are running.
Okay.
Yes, Vaishnavi, where we are, what we are doing.
So we were doing this MongoDB data API, but I'm getting the error that my HTTP endpoints are no longer available. That we are fixing.
Okay. Others also getting the same error.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then try to fix it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Has anyone find data API?
No.
How can we get then base URL? And without base URL, then we can't run this code. Not getting this section where is data API. Okay, if we can use the alternative method also, which I got from ChatGPT, because we are not founding the data API key, so we can do it without using data API key by using the
Yes.
URI only. So I'm sharing the code. If anyone found the data API method, then please tell it. Otherwise, we will continue from this only because we are not getting data API method.
I think I know how to find data API key.
What?
I think I have found my data API key.
Okay, please Ritesh, share it. I stop sharing.
Um, Let me recall. Let me share and recall where I found that.
Okay, okay.
I think I was under my app sections, authentication, and inside authentication, I was. This is, I think, API
No,
ID.
this is API key ID, but we are searching for base URL. We are searching for base URL.
Base URL.
Yes, that key I have used in it in my API key, but we are not found able to found our base URL. That's why we are not able to connect to HTTP server.
Okay.
No, actually, base URL can be found by app ID. We are
Yes.
getting the base URL, but this endpoint version is no longer available in MongoDB. And by September 2025, it will be removed from MongoDB server. So that's why ChatGPT is asking for new updated code, which will be used since September 2025. So I think we should go with the modern version instead of this because it's not longer usable, and that's why it is removed. And that's why we are not getting the access to endpoint services because in MongoDB official website they have hidden that by default. So I think the code shared by Vaishnavi is good code for upcoming problems, and I am getting the output by that also. So we should uh, go with this code only.
Okay, Vanish.
Okay, then I think we should move forward
Yes.
Yes.
because I'm also getting the same error HTTP endpoint are no longer available.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, everyone should will get that. And I think we have to use only this method for that. Or
Yes,
otherwise,
also it
ChatGPT
is
is
mentioned there, ChatGPT was telling that you should avoid using this API version
yeah,
because it
yes,
is going to shut down soon.
yes, yes. But the valuable thing here we learn is how to get our API key.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
Yes.
that will be
What we
used.
have created.
Yes, how we
Okay.
have created our API key in MongoDB. So that will be the lesson for us for this section. And now, Vaishnavi, you can move further.
Okay.
So we can delete our app, the app which we have created.
Need to delete it. Keep it there only. We are not using it. It's just inside it.
Okay.
Well, Ritesh, I think there are also some alternate method to for getting access to this app section, which use some modern libraries, and ChatGPT has also provide code for that also. But I think for now, the basic one which Vaishnavi has shared is the good code, which which is easy to understand. And I think as we move forward, we can also understand the code given by ChatGPT in advance mode, which is an alternate for that whatever we error we are getting there.
Okay. Okay, Vaishnav, you move forward.
Okay. I have to continue from this data API only, no?
Yes, after endpoint section, you can skip for now, I think.
And now find the single document. Skip this point. What I have to do? Please tell.
Uh, no, I think you can start from scroll, scroll.
Drivers.
Yes, I think from drivers, MongoDB drivers.
Okay. Okay, MongoDB drivers. The MongoDB shell Mongo is great, but generally you will need to use MongoDB in your application. To do this, MongoDB has many languages driver. The language driver allowed to interact with the MongoDB database are the method we have learned so far in Mongos, but directly in our application. These are currently official supported drivers that are C, C++, C Hash, Go, Java, Node.js, PHP, and so let's go to Node.js. No, MongoDB Node.js database interaction. Again, we have to use the MongoDB Atlas. Uh, okay, now the MongoDB Node.js installation is there. Actually, we were using only the MongoDB Node.js in our system. The code we have run in our VS Code were the Node.js database only. That topic has been come in this. How we can use it in directly in Node.js.
Yes.
The things we were using earlier only. Okay. So
Okay.
we can skip this because we have done the find operation insert one insert many yesterday using Node.js driver only.
Okay.
Okay, so we can skip this topic.
Yes, then move to MongoDB charts section.
Next is MongoDB chart. MongoDB charts let you visualize your data in a simple and interactive way. MongoDB chart setup. For MongoDB Atlas dashboard, go to chart tab. If you never used a chart before, click on the active now button and click on the complete. Let's go to MongoDB Atlas. Here we have to go to chart section. Here it is. And which thing is in that with your active button now. So let's load it. What happened? What should we choose? Chart builder or sample dashboard?
Uh, Chart builder. I think I am getting only that option.
Okay, then we will go to chart builder.
Now from here, select one document. No, you have to click on that. Yes, it will open for you. It.
Vaishnavi, after this session, we will close this meeting, okay? This
Okay, sir.
chart builder. And that previous issue, indexing issue resolved?
Yes, actually, we have used an alternate approach for that because that was an older version which is not supported by MongoDB from now. So that's why we
Okay.
have used alternate method. Vaishnavi have provided us the code for that.
Alternate code Vaishnavi has provided.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, from ChatGPT.
Okay, okay, fine. So let me know once we completed MongoDB chart. Then we will wrap up this call.
Okay, sir. Okay, now we are getting this type of output. What is said under the data source, we have select the movie selection. So for that, go to source data source. In samples, select sample data movie, select it, and after that you have to just drag this id to x-axis and this year section to y-axis. Okay, then we will get this type of output. Have you tried?
Yes, Vaishnavi.
You are getting the
Yes,
output?
Vaishnavi.
Yes.
Okay, let's see what is next. Okay, it's done. We just have to count this output on this. How we can only create we can create a chart in this. We having the sample data, so we have used that. If we want to have data, we can add it and then we will get the chart according to that.
Okay,
Okay.
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 I think
So
this chart is showing how many movies are released in a particular decade.
yes.
So we can get the visual representation of that, and it is easy to understand from this. By the chart, we can actually come to know that how many movies are released in the year 2010 to 2020, and that's it. It's so simple to view this by chart.
Yes. Okay. So it's done by everyone.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Okay. Okay. So, so yes, now it's done. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Vaishnavi,
Sir, we have completed.
we have completed. Okay,
Yes.
fine. So we'll connect on evening. Okay.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Okay. Thank
sir,
you all.
sir, what
Yes.
we are
Yes,
going to
Vansh.
do in evening section session?
Yes, sir. Please tell me.
So
Because we have completed this.
we have completed this, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine. We'll tell in evening. Okay. What we have to cover.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Okay.
Okay.
I hope
Thank
everyone
you.
has submitted their project.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Great. Thank you all. We will connect in evening. Time I will let you in the
Sir,
WhatsApp group.
hello, sir.
Yes.
So while we were submitting through Gmail, it was showing error that it may be risky. It was showing error, sir, when we were
Okay.
uploading
Okay.
file.
So you can
Yes, sir.
upload in the GitHub library repository.
Okay, sir.
If it is showing because codes are not allowed in Gmail,
Yes,
it shows error. Yeah.
we were sending zip file and it was showing error.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Right. Right.
That due to security reason it
Yeah.
can be
Yeah.
sent.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
I've shared in the email, but by using the Google Drive, I've uploaded my zip file on my Google Drive and then I've shared that Google Drive to the.
Yes, I have also used similar method, but at the end, after sending that email, there is a pop-up
Uh-huh.
message that it will not be downloaded in the users.
Ritesh, you have to just uninstall the Node module, remove the Node module, and
Yes, I have done this. I just pushed my repo on my GitHub and then I downloaded so that node module will not be there and other stuffs will not be there.
No
yeah.
problem. In order to avoid such kind of issue, due to the security measures,
Yes, sir.
what you just need to do you just upload it in the GitHub library.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
That would be the best is solution. Fine.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other issue? Anything?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
All is good?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, great. Thank you all. We'll
Thank
connect in evening. Okay. Thank you.
you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you.